Okay, so we're asked to expand and simplify this quadratic, and there are loads and loads of different methods for doing this, and if you've got one that you like, stick with it. I'm going to use the grid method, which is just one of many. Others involve smiley face, double smiles and rainbows, foil. It doesn't matter which method you use. You're effectively timesing everything in the first bracket by everything in the second bracket, so it doesn't matter how you do that. The way I do this method is I get this bracket here and I write the two terms, the 2x and the negative 11 at the top, and I get this bracket and write them down the side. It doesn't actually matter which way around you do this, you get the same answer. So you could have had the 2x minus 11 on the left hand side, 3x minus 4 at the top. And what I'm just doing is timesing each of the terms by each other. So I'm going to start off with the first square, so 2 times 3 is 6, x times x is x squared. Then I'm going to start with the top right one, so next I'm going to do the top right one, minus 11 times 3 is minus 33, and then it's a 3x, so it's x. Bottom left one, minus 8x. And then we've got two negatives here, so it's going to be a positive, and I'll write a plus, you don't need to. 11 times 4 is 44. Now the reason I put the plus there is when I put all of these together, which is the next step, then I don't need to remember whether it's positive or negative, the plus is already there. So I'm going to write all of these terms together, starting off with the x squared term, then the 2x terms, and then the number. Now, there are two like terms here. There's an x term here and an x term here, and these need to be added together. So 6x squared. Now, minus 33 take away 8. So if I took away 10, it would be minus 43, so that would be minus 41. And with those, when you've got two negative, when you're taking away a negative from a negative whatever, you just use your number line. So I just go to minus 33 roughly on the number line, and I know I'm going 8 left, okay, which is minus 41 plus 44. And that's it. So let's put that in as our answer. Perfect.